Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in a video on Canva. So in here, I already add a video to my Canva. Here, this is the video and I want to have a zoom in effect to this video, or I want to zoom in this videos right here. So let's say I want to focus into this thing, this printer on the video. So basically what you need to do is just click on anywhere in the screen on the video here, and then you can just double click like this. So what you need to do is just drag this little dot at the edge of the video like this. So now it will zoom in the clip, so you can just position the to where you want to zoom in or focus. For example, I want to make it into the center in here, just like this. So now the video is zoom in just like this. So it will it will focus into the objects that I want. So that's pretty easy. That's how you can zoom in the video in Canva. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.